Hello everyone, today we're going to tackle the renovation of this room. As you can see, it's old plaster roughcast, and I'm going to show you how to get that smooth look back. First step, sanding the substrate to flatten it with a 40 grit, and thus use less filler. Sanding is now complete. We also dusted the surface and wiped it down with a damp cloth. In addition, we applied a clear primer to fix the substrate, which we left to dry for 24 hours. Now we can move on to the filling. For the filling, we chose the PRESTONETT Multi-Light, a 4-in-1 filler. It will allow us to fill in and give a great finish. This is a coating that can be applied in great thicknesses up to 8 millimeters. Little bonus, this filler can be applied on all common substrates, as shown here on old roughcast. This filler is ready to use. We decided to apply it using a roller and smooth it out with our Beissier blades. To save time, we decided to work with 2 people. One of us will apply the filler with a roller, and the other will smooth it with the blade. However, you can easily carry out this operation with 1 person. All you have to do is work step by step on 1-meter strips. It is now 24 hours after the first coat. The filler is perfectly dry. To make things easier, we have chosen to install a Romus dehumidifier. We can now move on to the second coat. It's 24 hours after the second coat. The multi-light filler is completely dry, so we're about to start sanding. To do this, we're going to use a Type 220 finishing grit. And now, it's your turn.